Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome to Delicious Food Fusion YouTube family. I'm very glad to announce that our YouTube family has reached 120 subscribers and I would like it to reach a 1k subscribers as soon as possible. So I request everyone to please go to the YouTube search bar and type Delicious Food Fusion. I hope you all can see the green color logo over there. Yes, that's my channel. Please go there and click on the channel icon. Visit my channel and see all the videos which are there. You can find the most delicious recipes. After watching my videos, please like it, share, comment and subscribe. Please don't forget to click on the bell button because you'll receive all the notifications whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for your support and I will request everyone to please support me throughout my journey so that my YouTube family will become very successful. Now let's see what recipe I'm going to show in today's video. I'll be showing you one of the most famous Gujarati dish, that is Aloo Puri. This dish is very famous in Surat and all the people in Surat prepare this dish in their regular breakfast or as their evening snack. Now let's see how to make this wonderful and delicious Aloo Puri. Now make the list of the ingredients which are being displayed on the screen. Make a note of it and then let's get started and I'll show you how to prepare the dish. To prepare the aloo puri, we require potatoes. So you can use how much of a potato you want. I've taken 2 potatoes over here. Peel the potatoes and then take a cooker, pressure cooker, keep it on the stove. Pour water into it and cut the potatoes, peel the potatoes into half. And then put it inside the cooker and allow it to boil. You have to close the lid of the cooker. Wait until the pressure cooker releases the pressure from it. Wait for 2 to 3 whistles. The potatoes will be boiled completely. Once the potato is boiled, you need to smash and keep it aside. Now I'm taking the all-purpose flour or maida. Put 4 to 5 finely chopped green chilies. I've put 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of salt according to your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. I've added the garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Now once you put all the ingredients which I told, you just mix it well. You can use all-purpose flour or maida how much ever you want. Now you can clearly see in the video I am showing that I am smashing the boiled potatoes. You can use the potato smasher and smash it, or else you can use the spoon like this and cut it and smash it. Or you can even use your hand if you are feeling comfortable with it. Now once you smash all the potatoes, add the potatoes into the mixture. Now we need to make a dough out of it. Therefore you require these potatoes to be smashed properly and you need to mix this potato along with the all-purpose flour and the other ingredients very well. You have to knead the dough. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil into it. You need to put the oil because it binds all the potato and the flour. use your hand and knead it very well. Now once the dough has been ready, you need to make small balls out of it and then pat it on the roller where you roll the dough. Just like how you make chapatis, you need to make a small dough out of this and then pat it. Add flour powder on the top and just pat it in your hand and then take the roller and roll it very well such that it comes in a round shape. It should be like a poori, therefore you need to make small dough rounds. See, you can clearly observe that I'm adding flour on both the surface of the poori. Make as much as poori you want. Make sure that the shape of the poori is round. So I'm making the third one now. This is how you need to make the pooris. The aloo puri texture is very nice and soft. You can feel the taste of the aloos in between while you eat. See, I've made 5 to 6 puris already. Now, in order to fry the puri, you need to take a frying pan, pour oil into it, allow it to heat in a high flame. Once the oil is heated, put all the puris which you have rolled and let it fry. Now you can see the puri has come so fat, it's looking so beautiful. Now fry several puris which you have already done, the puri dough which you have rolled it. Put it inside the frying pan, fry it and take out all the beautiful puris. Once the puri is fried on the other side, you need to flip it so that the another side puri fries very well. Puri takes 1 or 2 minutes to fry. Now the puri is ready. I've served it in a plate. I've taken sauce as a side dip. I like sauce, so I use sauce as a side dip. You can use whatever you want. You can use chutneys or sambar, anything, whatever you feel like eating. You can even use mayonnaise sauce for that. The texture comes well. I hope you all enjoyed today's Punjabi special aloo puri recipe. Can you see that green color Delicious Food Fusion logo over there? Click on that, visit my channel, see all the other videos. They have delicious recipes over there. Please watch all my videos, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates. You can see my description box. I've put all the links of the other recipes. You can go there and watch whatever recipes you want and do it at home. Thank you. Please support my channel like this. I really need your blessings to grow my channel. Share it with as many as friends and family as possible. Bye bye.